HP, literally 1 HP. He asked me HP. I will write 1, bro.
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm lost and located in the back though. Don't even.
So yo, what's up guys, कैसे आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are gonna do another 1v1 video with Daku slash King or whatever his old name was, Tarshu123, and his real name is Krishna, and we are gonna do no scope for 15 or then scope 20, then 25. This will be a fair play, so let's see that who will win. He's a nice competitor now, but still I have 1 point and he what already? Why did he came from back? I don't know, but if I got to know that if someone other cheats, you can also cheat. Oh, what? Ammo, rip ammo, bro. And I got to know that if someone else cheat, I can also cheat, cause they are cheating. What? Float? He floated in the air. I'm 5 HP and he's 0 HP. What? I give him a headshot. Oh, I knew it. He has a high ping. He floats in the air. That's what I wanted. Close range. No scope. What? I shot him through the wall. Oh no. Oh no. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You cheat, I also cheat. What are you doing, bro? No. Okay, I killed him. It's 6-5. I got to come back and sorry. Oh no. What? He has so much ping. No. Please. What? He floats in the air. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Sorry guys, the game volume crashed and a huge part didn't got recorded. The storage was full, so I deleted YouTube and now I am playing with him. So we need 15 and he need 2 points and oh no. Okay, bro, I hear you. He's 13, I am 8. Let's see that who will win. If I do a comeback, that will be crazy. See, he's floating in the air. Oh no, it auto scoped. I didn't want it to scope, bro. I didn't want it to, but what? What? Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, he won the match. So let's go to scoping round. Now the scoping round has started and I have already made him 1 HP. I mean 5 HP. Sorry. 1 मेरे मुंह से निकल गई थी. मेरी जुबान छूट गई थी यार. 5 HP. Nope. You died. Guys, आवाज क्यों फट रही थी भाई मेरी? आवाज फटने लग गई थी मेरी, पता नहीं अचानक से देखा अभी मैंने पिछली वीडियो में. ओ तेरी भाई, उड़ी मार के आया उड़ी बाबा बूम बा बच गया. बूम बा बूम. ओ okay, I knew it. I am leading by 2 points right now and now I killed him. It's 4-3. What? He killed me 3 times? I didn't even noticed. Okay, that shot was nice. Please pick me. Thanks for giving that I asked for. Oh no. Okay, guys, मेरी आवाज क्यों गूंज रही है भाई? ये क्या हो गया? ग्लिच हो रहा है. छी भाई, ग्लिच गंदा वाला है. I'm leading by 3 points. I'm in form, boys. Spider-Man. I am the new Spider-Man. Got a 10-9. Leading by 1 point, Spider-Man. He came from back, I knew that. Killed him, that's why I'm not a rat. What? He's just coming by there and he's dying. Cheating but still not dying. You fly? No, bro. I don't fly. Now you fly. Sorry guys, a huge part did not recorded and I won this round. So it's 17:20. Sorry, I'm really sorry. A whole like a quarter of so much time didn't got recorded, and for that I'm sorry. And now we are gonna go to the ending round. So let's go. Okay, so now the no scoping is done. He won no scope, I won scope, and now it's ending on this is the deciding match that who will win. What? What is so low? What? He shooted me through the wall. Oh no! Oh no! What? He didn't took out his gun? Why? I don't know. I don't know. Now please don't come from back and kill me. I knew it. Now this match, see that what I am gonna do. Don't see that what he is gonna do. See what I am gonna do. You do. I have a strategy against him. Yeah, I knew that. Every time you see him, if he dies or if he don't get die, you just have to shoot. He will die. See, bro, what you doing? Huh? Got a headshot. What? He disconnected? Net problems, I think so. I hear him. Gonna do pre-fire, bro. He hasn't came here for a long time, and she came from there, and I came from there, bro. What question mark, bro? Oh, I could have had the skin, but I couldn't. Oh man, कितनी ज़्यादा जुड़ी थी. मर गया मैं. Euratio, we will use Euratio. It's 6-8. It's 7-8. He's leading by 1 point. Now at 2 points. Nice, the payback. Come. Peek. See, he did the same and I did the same. Okay, he's near me. Oh, he's behind me. I will act like I don't know. Daddy, the melody is in my hands. I knew that he's behind me. He tried to knife me, but I am smarter than he. What? AK-47 in the house, baby. I hear him. Oh, 1 HP. What? Literally 1 HP. I was 1 HP, bro. I'm just doing that. He did. Came from the side. 12-12. It's tie. Okay, what gun he was using AK and I was using AUG, so on 1. Lol, he thought that he won. He thought that it of 15, but it's not of 15. It was of 25. I forgot everything. Now please don't come and kill me. Come now. I heard him and I did the pre-fire. Oh, where are you going? You had a sniper in your hands. Okay, I will let him kill me. I think that he's coming from... No. I knew it. क्या डीगल से मारूं क्या? हाँ? नहीं, मैं ऑग से ही मारता हूँ. I am fine at ऑग ही ठीक है भाई. What? I'm 1 HP, literally 1 HP. He asked me HP. I will write 1, bro. Now please don't come and kill me. I've been like... What? Headshot? From 1 HP? Need 4 points to win and he needs 7. He killed me, but it didn't got recorded. I need 3 points and I need 2 points and he need 5 points. And this is the deciding moments that will decide that I need 1 point, bro. So yeah, that's it for today's guys. If you guys like the video, press the like button, share my channel and like my channel, turn on notification for my newest updates, and thanks for watching. Till then, bye bye and take care.